Hello! In this video, we are going to explore a couple of ways in which we can classify triangles. We can classify triangles in two different ways. One is by looking at their sides. The other one is by looking at their angles. The equilateral triangle is the one that has all its sides the same length. The isosceles triangle, only two sides have the same length. And with the scaling triangle, each of the sides have a different length. Now let's look at the angles. By looking at the right triangle, we can see that one of the angles has a measurement of 90 degrees. That's what is going to make the right triangle a right triangle, that 90-degree angle. Now, the obtuse triangle will have or will present itself with an angle that is larger than 90 degrees. This one can easily have or be 110 degrees. The acute triangle will have all its angles less than 90 degrees. So we can say that this one is maybe 70, same as this one. And let's say that this one is 40 degrees. Remember the maxima that if you add all the internal angles of any triangle, that should add up to 180 degrees. We can see that, for instance, with this triangle, 70 plus 70 plus 40 equals 180 degrees. Feel free to pause the video. We're going to practice what we just learned. By looking at this triangle, how can we classify this triangle? So we can tell that each side has the same length. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. And since all the angles are less than 90 degrees, it is also acute. So this will be the best choice for our question. Remember that the scaling, all the sides are different. In the isosceles triangle, only two sides are the same length. And the ambiguous, well, this is not even a triangle. Now let's look at this new triangle. So what would be the best classification for this one? Let's look at the sides. Are any of these sides the same length of any of the others? Well, I don't think so. So this side and this side and this side, they are all different lengths. So just by that, we can see that this is an scaling triangle. And since this one has an angle that is larger than 90 degrees, excuse me, I meant larger or greater than 90 degrees, this is going to be an obtuse triangle. So this is our best choice. This angle can easily be 100 degrees or 110 degrees. But the thing in here, something that we need to emphasize is that you can classify a triangle by both characteristics, by the length of the sides or by looking at the angles. So it can have both choices, like in here. Well, this concludes our review. I hope you found this video helpful.